give a private residential job today. It's just a small job, 2 areas. We've got to pull up the existing grass, probably a 60 square metre area, and the other small area at the other end of the block's about 20 square metre area. The problem that people have been having is that the grass could never grow down this area, down this end of the yard. So you can see on the left there's a bulge, so they want me to try and shape that up and blend it in a bit better. Just starting here, stripping off the old grass. First couple of buckets, the soil didn't seem too bad. But now already I'm starting to pull up tree roots, some bricks, and a few bits of metal actually. As you can see by the small pile I got there in front of me, it's pretty poor material. It's no wonder the grass doesn't grow. And when we move over to the other side, it looks like the people previously had used it as a tip. Many more bricks. Now I pulled out some metal pipes, a lot more tree roots. I stacked the metal pipes around the corner, you can't see them, but there's just rubbish everywhere. So this is the reason for this area being such... Oh, here, this area here, this is down the other end. The soil here is very good actually. I'm very surprised the grass was having trouble here. But we placed this little area as well. The main area now all cleaned off, ready for some topsoil and some new turf. Hopefully that's the end of their problems. They'll have a nice green lawn there over the next few weeks.